Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to watch multiple games simultaneously on YouTube TV using the split screen or multi-view feature. If you're a sports fanatic who hates missing any action, this guide is for you. In this video we'll cover what the multi-view feature is, how to access it on YouTube TV, the devices that support it, how to customize your multi-view experience, and some tips and tricks to get the most out of watching multiple games at once. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks on maximizing your streaming experience. It really helps us out.
Okay, let's get started.
First, let's define what the multi-view feature is. Essentially, it allows you to watch up to 4 different live streams on your screen at the same time. This is perfect for those busy sports days when multiple games are happening simultaneously. No more flipping between channels. Now, how do you access this magical feature on YouTube TV? The availability of multi-view depends on what's currently being offered by YouTube TV. During major sporting events, like March Madness or NFL Sunday, YouTube TV will often curate specific multi-view feeds. These will group together relevant games. To find these, simply look for them on the YouTube TV home screen. Typically, they will be displayed prominently with a multi-view label. Just select the multi-view option that interests you, and you're ready to go. Now for those times when YouTube TV doesn't automatically create multi-view options, you can create your own. This feature is still rolling out, so you may not see it yet. Go to the Live tab. From there, you will see what is available to be added to multi-view. Unfortunately, not all devices support the multi-view feature yet. The following devices generally support the multi-view feature. Smart TVs. Many smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, and Sony support YouTube TV's multi-view feature. Just ensure your YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Streaming devices. Streaming devices like Chromecast with Google TV, Roku, and Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K are also generally compatible. Gaming consoles. Some gaming consoles like Xbox also support the YouTube TV multi-view feature. Mobile devices like phones and tablets currently do not support this feature. And watching on a computer using the web browser version is also not currently supported. YouTube TV is constantly updating its platform, so compatibility may change. Check the official YouTube TV help page for the most up-to-date device compatibility list. Customization options can be limited, but here's what you can usually do. Audio selection. You can typically choose which stream's audio you want to hear. This is usually done by highlighting the specific stream and selecting the audio option. Switching streams. If you decide you want to change one of the games you're watching, you might be able to swap it out for another live channel. This feature is also still rolling out. Here are a few tips to make your multi-view experience even better. Stable internet connection. Multi-view requires a strong and stable internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is reliable or consider using a wired connection for optimal performance. Data usage. Keep in mind that streaming multiple feeds simultaneously will consume more data. If you have a data cap, be mindful of your usage. Experiment. Play around with the different options and settings to find what works best for you. So that's how you can watch multiple games on YouTube TV using the split screen or multi-view feature. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to check YouTube TV frequently for updates and new features. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.